So now welcome for football in Beijing. After match, talk about how you see am. Fulham 2 and Chelsea 1. And we get Oga Michael, but I say now, inside be old timer Chelsea fan. Make on tell us about how insane team performance. Oga Michael, I know say I don't follow many different Chelsea fan talk for interviews, for social media lifestyle, and they complain say they don't like this thing when the club, the results when they come out from the club, they say no, they sweet them for Bele. But you as a Chelsea fan now, how you dey see all this kind of result what we dey see from Chelsea in the recent matches what we dey see from Chelsea?
Chelsea, their problem, not be the player. If during Roman Abramovich era, you'll see improvement. All the old players when Chelsea sign, none of them good. We no better player come out. Chelsea na club like say, if you call Chelsea, people they come out. They come watch Chelsea match. But now Chelsea match now Ogbori, they call they put. We go sign player. If Chelsea lose one match, they go sign one player. All the players Chelsea sign today, so all of them, no one. If na Roman Abramovich, you don't sign anyone. Roman Abramovich no go sign all these players Chelsea sign so. You just pay money straight away. Spend money, they go send people like say, even loan say Chelsea not go loan them. Because they got to take people. If now you, how you go fee? To go watch your own club match, because they lose. After will be more, they laugh for us. Chelsea. And we pride of London, but now the pride now, we don't know where they again. They don't throw away the pride. No pride again to show say we be Chelsea fan.
So,
See, they pay me.
so Oga Michael now, the way you dey talk for the interview now, people go see and say, you don't like what you dey see. What do you want to make it change for Chelsea recent games? Because for about 9 games, all competition, Chelsea don't get only win. Only one win, one single win. What do you want make it change for Chelsea next game?
I don't see the owner na eviction na to build Chelsea team. And secondly, I know say that eviction, but not be this coach, not be the eviction of the club. We need the experienced coach. Because guess what kind of coach you go bring when be like say player go attract to play with her. Like Mourinho now. If Mourinho go for second player, this coach go everybody go wrong go make Mourinho because na experienced coach. Because they look at some more. Ronaldo not fit come Chelsea because of this coach. Because look at some more to run. So what Chelsea go do? All these players, may they loan some of their commode. Sure, may they sell all the Koulibaly, all those Roman Abramovich not go sign this kind of player. They're not go fit Chelsea football style. May they sell the throw away. May they if now feel that they won't bring go, may they bring. May they not spend money again. May not sign any player again. If they won't go relegation, may they go mono sign relegation. They will go. May not sign any player again. May they use all these ones. May they plant. If they get sense, so they come. That they verse. They not really spend money finish. Nothing to show for.
So, Oga Michael, I want to ask you now, with what you dey see from Chelsea this season, where you fit predict say Chelsea go finish?
Brother, you want to see the things, where will they go so? If Arsenal not go, where will they go so? Not where will they go? if God save us, so if we end like I 17. Because the way they see us so, we not gonna go relegation because 17 still get small.
So to you now, this work no fit Potter. Potter must go. Now you dey.
If I do not sack this night, before I go watch Chelsea match again, it go take time. If I go watch Chelsea match.
So with what you dey see now from the Premier League this season now, which club if you predict say go win the Premier League title?
Many people dey hype Arsenal. I see they talk until tomorrow. Arsenal no carry the cup. Now Man City now they hype to carry the cup. Arsenal no carry the Premier League.
All right, now, Oga Michael, thank you for your time. My country people, now lawyer boy, of course, we dey loyal like lawyer me. I say make I thank una as we take watch this our content, but make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also, the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.